Permutations and combinations, part 20.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the continuation of previous part. So, the next problem. Find the number of ways of selecting a committee of 6 members out of 10 members. Here, always including a specified member. So, see a solution to select 6 members out of 10 members. Here, in every selection, the particular person or specified person is common. See here, in every selection, one person is common. Okay. See here, but here you need to select total 6 members. But in every selection, one person is common. So clearly you need to select 5 members only. So because of one person is always included. So out of remaining 9 members. So that can be done in 9C5 ways. See here, therefore the number of ways of selection of 5 members. Selection of 5 members out of remaining 9 members. In how many ways? So clearly this can be done in 9C5 ways. So this is the required answer. Now question number 7. This is similar to 6. So here there is small difference. In question number 6, always including a specified member. But here a particular book is not included. So total how many books here? 9 different books. In that one book is not included. So remaining books are 8. So to select 5 books out of 8 books. So that can be done in 8C5 ways. Okay. So try to solve question number 7. So see the question number 8. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. So see here, what is the given word? Given word is equation. Okay. Here you need to find total number of vowels and number of consonants in given word. So see here, total number of vowels. So how many vowels here? E is the vowel and U, A, I, O. So total 5 vowels and total number of consonants. So what are the consonants here? Q, T, N. So number of consonants are 3. So total 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Total 8 letters. In that, number of vowels are 5. Number of consonants are 3. Here, but you need to select 3 vowels from the 5 vowels. And you need to select 2 consonants from the 3 consonants. See here, the number of ways of selection of 3 vowels out of 5 vowels. In how many ways? So clearly 5C3 ways. Next, you need to select two consonants out of three consonants. See here, the number of ways of selection of two consonants out of three consonants in how many ways? So clearly it is 3C2 ways. Okay. Therefore, total number of selections is equals to what? 5C2 into 3C2. This is equals to 5C3 into 3C2 ways. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. Find the number of ways of giving away 4 similar canes. All canes are similar to 5 boys. If each boy can be given any number of canes that are less than or equals to 4. So to give all 4 cans to 1 boy, or to give 1 can for 1 boy, 3 cans for 2 boy, etc. So like that to give. So see here, first, total number of cans is equals to 4. That all are similar cans. Next one, total number of boys. Total number of boys is equals to 5. Here, to give similar cans to 5 boys. Here few cases are arises. See the first case. See here first, you need to select 1 boy out of 5 boys and to give 4 similar kinds to 1 boy. So that is the first case. So see here, to select 1 boy out of 5 boys. In how many ways? In 5C1 ways. Okay. So in that case, total all similar kinds to give 1 boy only. So clearly this total 4 kinds to give 1 boy only. So that is the first case. And second case, here to select 2 boys out of 5 boys. See here, to select 2 boys out of 5 boys in 5C2 ways. Okay. Here you need to select 2 boys and to give these 4 similar kinds, to give 4 similar kinds to 2 boys. See here, what are the possibilities here? To give 1 kind for first boy and to give 3 kinds for second boy. So this is the first possibility. And one more possibility, to give 3 kinds for first boy and 1 kind for second boy. So total number of kinds 4. And one more possibility, to give 2 kinds for first boy, 2 kinds for second boy. So these are the possible ways. So total number of possibilities are 3. So therefore this can be done in how many ways? So total 3 ways into number of selection of 2 boys out of 5, that is 3 into 5C2 ways. Okay. And case 3. You have to select 3 boys out of 5 boys. See here, to select 3 boys out of 5. So clearly, in how many ways? 5C3 ways. Okay. So after selecting the 3 boys, to give the similar kinds to 3 boys. See what are the possibilities here? To give one kind for first boy, one kind for second boy, and remaining 2 kinds for third boy. Or one kind for first boy, 2 kinds for second boy, and 1 kind for third boy. Or one more possibility, 2 kinds for first boy, 1 kind for second boy, 1 kind for third boy. So total number of ways are 3. So here 3 possibilities exist. So therefore this can be done in how many ways? Total 3 ways into 5C3. 3 into 5C3 ways. Okay. So last case. Here to select 4 boys. To select 4 boys out of 5. So clearly, in how many ways? 5C4 ways. Okay. Here we need to select 4 boys. Here, after selection of 4 boys, we have to give the similar kinds. How many similar kinds here? 4 similar kinds to 4 boys. See here only one possibility. Here total number of boys are 4. To give 4 similar kinds, 1 kind for first boy, 1 kind for second boy, 1 kind for third boy, and 1 kind for fourth boy. So therefore, this can be done in only one way. So therefore, this can be done in only one way. 1 into 5C4. So 5C4 ways. Okay. So your total number of selections are 5C1 plus 3 into 5C2 plus 3 into 5C3 plus 1 into 5C4. So see here, therefore total number of selections. See here first one, 5C1 plus second case 3 into 5C2. Next plus 3 into 5C3. 3 into 5C3 plus 1 into 5C4. So here this is equals to 5C1. This is 5 plus 3 into 5C2. So this is 5 into 4 by 2 plus 3 into 5C3. That is 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 plus 5C4. This can also written as 5C1. So this is 5. Here 2 1s are 2 2s. Next 3 3 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s. Now this is 5 plus 10 into 3. 30 plus 10 into 3. 30 plus 5. So total number of ways of selections are 70. So this is the required answer. So see the question number 3. Find the number of ways of selecting a cricket team of 11 players from total number of batsmen are 7, total number of bowlers are 6. In every team, there is at least 5 bowlers. So see here, first, total number of batsmen is equals to 7 and total number of bowlers is equal to 6. Here you need to form a cricket team of 11 players. In that, at least 5 bowlers. So here we have 2 cases. So first case and second case. So total number of batsmen 7 and total number of bowlers. How many bowlers? 6. So here in every selection of 11 players there is at least 5 bowlers. So you need to select 5 bowlers out of 6. See here total number of players are 11. So in that 5 are bowlers and you need to select the remaining 6 persons. That all persons are batsmen. So that is 6 batsmen out of 7. And here at least 5 bowlers is given. You need to select 6 bowlers also. And remaining 5 people are 7 batsmen. So these are the 2 possibilities. So see here the number of selections in case 1. So total you have to select 6 batsmen out of 7. That is 7C6 into you need to select 5 bowlers out of 6. That is 6P5. So this is the first case. And second case. See here the number of selections in case 2. To select 5 batsmen out of 7, that is 7C5 into to select 6 bowlers out of 6, that is 6C6 ways. Okay. So therefore total number of selections to form a cricket team. To form a cricket team of 11 players. It is 7C6 into 6C5. 7C6 into 6C5 plus 7C5 into 6C6. 7C5 into 6C6. See here, how to write 7C6? This can be also written as 7C1. And this one 6C1 plus 7C5 write as 7C2 into 6C0. So 7C1 is 7 into 6 and 7C2 that is 7 into 6 by 2. 6C0 is 1. So 2 1s are 2 3. So 42 plus 21. So total 63 ways. Okay. This is the required answer. So see the question number 6. Here find the number of ways forming a committee of 5 members out of 6 Indians and 5 Americans. So that always the Indians will be majority in the committee. So this is similar to previous one. So see here total number of Indians are 6. Total number of Americans are 5. Here so that in every committee the majority persons are Indians only. See here 6 Indians, 5 Americans. So to select how many members? 5 members. So 5 are Indians, 0 are Americans. Or 4 are Indians, 1 is American. And next one, 3 are Indians, 2 are Americans. Next, if 2 are Indians, then Americans are 5. But here, Americans are majority. Here, the Indians will be majority in the committee. So total these 3 possible ways. This is not possible. Okay. So here, total number of selections 6C5 into 5C0 plus second possibility 6C4 into 5C1 plus 6C3 into 5C2. So these are the number of selections of 5 members. Okay. So see a next example one. Find the number of zeros in 100 factorial. So see here, example 1. Here you need to find a number of zeros. So clearly you know that the product of 5 and 2 gives single zero. So that's why you need to select combinations of 5 or 5's in 100 factorial, 2's in 100 factorial. So first you need to find number of 5's in 100 factorial. So see here, the number of 5's in 100 factorial. See here, what are the possibilities? 5, next 10, next 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, next 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, next 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. See here, total numbers are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total 20 numbers are there. But here 25 in the numbers 25, next 50, next 75, next 100. In that 2 5's are there. See here, this is 5 into 5. So this is 5 into 5 into 2. In this 5 into 5 into 3. Here this is 5 into 5 into 4. In the numbers 25, 50, 75, 100, each number having 2 5's. So there are 4 5's. Means total number of 5's are 8 5's. So clearly total 20 5's. In 4 numbers, 5's are repeated twice. Therefore, the number of 5's in 100 factorial is how many? 24. So is equals to 24. Next, you need to find number of 2's in 100 factorial. See here, the number of 2's in 100 factorial. So that are, what are the possibilities? 2, 4, 6, 8, next 10, next 12, 14, and so on, 96, 98, 100. So these are the number of 2's in 100 factorial. Here you need to take the combination of 5 and 2. So because of 5 and 2 is 10. So it gives single zero. So that's why you have to consider number of combinations of 5 and 2. So see here, total number of 5's in 100 factorial are 24. So you know that the combination or the product of 5 into 2 is what? 10. So it gives single zero. So total number of 5's are 24. So clearly you need to select total 24 2's. So because of combination of or product of 5 and 2 is 10. That gives 1 0. So therefore consider 24 2's in 100 factorial. So therefore the number of zeros is equals to how many? 24. So each product of 5 and 2 is 10. So total 24 5s, 24 2s. So clearly the number of zeros are 24 in 100 factorial. So see the next example. Find the number of positive divisors of 1080. So see here, given number is 1080. So here to find the number of positive divisors of 1080. So for that we have to consider product of prime factors. So because of prime factor having only two divisors, so one and itself. So that's why we have to consider product of prime factors. So see here, how to write 1080? This can be written as 10 into 108. So again, this can be written as 2 into 5, and this one 2 into 2 5 is 2 4, and this is 2 square into 5. Now how to write 54? That is 27 into 2. This is 2 square into 2. You will get 2 power 3. Next 5 power 1. Next 27 can be written as 3 power 2. So clearly 1080 is what? Product of the prime factors. Now you need to find the number of divisors. See here, for example, you need to find the number of positive divisors of 16. So this can be written as product of prime factors. That is only 2 is the prime factor. That can be written as 2 power 4. For example, this is 2 power alpha. See here, if alpha is equals to 0, then 2 power 0, it gives 1. So 1 is the divisor of 16. If alpha is equals to 1, you will get 2 power 1. 2. 2 is the divisor of 16. If alpha is equals to 2, you will get 4. 4 is the divisor of 16. If alpha is equals to 3, you will get 8. So 8 is the divisor of 16. If alpha is equals to 4, you will get 16. So 16 also divisor of 16. So therefore the number of divisors are how many? Total 5 divisors. Simply alpha is what? 4. So therefore the number of positive divisors is equals to 5. Simply that is 4 plus 1. This is alpha plus 1. So clearly the number of divisors is what? The power of prime factor plus 1. That gives the number of positive divisors in given number. Now see here, 1080 can be written as product of the prime factors. Therefore, the number of positive divisors is equal to what? Power of prime factor plus 1. That is 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. This is 4 into 2, 8 into 4. So total 32 divisors are possible. So this is the required answer. For next session we will discuss new chapter.